see the river. Looks cozy back there.
Oh, it is. Be friendly with the neighbors.
And there's the river. Hall. And the mountains. And beautiful falls, El Bijuco. All right, who are you? Where are you from? Make some noise.
Okay, Idaho. Here we go. Lynn from Idaho and Penny.
Going rafting.
We're rafting in Honduras.
Okay, now we're gonna meet your guy, Johnny.
Hi, how you guys doing? Today we're gonna have an excellent adventure, okay? The weather is super nice, and we're gonna try also today to tip these guys a little bit in the water, okay? Everybody has to leave the paddle up and not in the water. Otherwise they're gonna make friction and the raft gets sideways. Okay, and it's not good for us. So we need always to keep your paddle up and be ready for the next command. Okay? Now for back paddle, for the guy.
All right then. Good job. All right then, folks. Welcome to the heart of the Kangaroo River Gorge. Just a little bit of class 3, but it's got a pretty strong wave hole there. It can really flip you right out of the raft. This one's called Stairway to Heaven. Yeah. All right then. That'll do it for us. Hold on though. Plenty more to come. We'll see you there. There's Carlos watching over everything. We're at Valletta. Nice blue there. Real pretty. And another blue right there where you come through. Yeah, nice hit. All right, and another. That'll do it for us here. Getting a little sideways there through the hole. Oh, out they go. Going for the big swim. Everyone but the guide goes in the drink. Get him back in there. Get him back in. All right, let's see if they can't all fall out again here. Carnage Beast rears his ugly head. So, did you have a good swim?
Oh, I had a great swim.
All right.
But I don't think I want to jump very man.
Oh, come on, don't tell me you're chicken.
Keep your position and go closer to the rock. Okay? So I'll see you down there.
How was it?
Nice. Come on, easy.
Okay, here we go. Where did you sit right there?
Mä en ole ikinä hypännyt näin korkealta. Mä olin yli 3 metriä, ehkä hemmaskoulu.
Yeah, there you go. He's no chicken. All right, and welcome to rock and roll. This is where your guy's gonna try and knock you back into the river. Only this time on purpose. And here you come. Oh! Everyone dump trucks! Oh! In the drink they go! It's madness! And Carnage Beast eats an entire raft load! Ah! All right, you have to let go of the raft. There you go. All right, that'll do it for us. Good job on the rock and roll. Hope everyone's all right. Like, gotta kiss the rock hard. Bastard. Yeah, getting the big hits there. And good job. All right then. Mmm, tasty fruit. What do you think? How about a kiss for the camera?
Oh, good.
Excellent.
Very good cook.
Frutas. Frutas al fresco. Yeah. Good, huh? You just eat the seeds because you're tough like that. All right. Lava 1 here. It's also known as prelude to lava. Some big old holes. There's one. Hiding in this thing. We'll see how you do. Sideways here. Oh, busted through the hole just barely. And another one. And another big hit. All right, nicely done. And we'll see you on down in lava. Just all right, here in beautiful Honduras on the Congo. A huge hit there. And up onto the rock. Find a little eddy. And on downstream. That's Fred's gonna wind things up for us here in the gorge today.
Say what again?
We didn't even drown. That's amazing.
He tried.
He tried.
That's the guilty guy right there.
All right then.